This is my app um, that I'm working on now, and this app helps people style their outfits. And I'm trying to build a new function uh, helps people find a certain outfits from the image uploaded by the users. But the problem is, I definitely use the AI to extract the outfits from the image, but the output provided by the AI is not the exactly same as the search query that I need to find the outfits of the photos. So in order to solve these problems, I will do so what I've learned from this course. Okay, let's begin. Let's read the diagram from left to right to see exactly how our system processes data. Data enter through to a main page. The first is the visual root. When you upload the reference photos, SegFormer segments it into distinct regions like the top, bottom, and shoes. And it crops each region out, and the LLaVA analyze these crops to identify exactly what each item is. Or alternatively, if you already know the item details, you can skip the vision process entirely. You just feed the information directly through the manual text input tab. Regardless of the path it takes, the data converts into struct dictionary. You get something like category top and color navy, fit slim. But here's the challenge. You can type the dictionary into a shopping search bar. To bridge this gap, we use tagger box. Our tagger items function converts each dictionary into a single curated query string. It strictly follows one time in, one query out rule, never inventing extra details. Before we finalize that text, it used a retriever to reach out to our seed bank in ChromaDB, pulling the closest matching grounding example. This two-way retriever process ensures we produce a real natural search query, something like maybe old blazer slim fit. And from there, we have an optional localization step. A great general query isn't always the perfect query for every specific platform. So our localizer adapt it using the exactly same retriever pattern. It checked the separate collection of platform-specific examples. This tune the final query perfectly for platforms like Amazon and some Korean shopping website. I will show you exactly how this looks in a live demo right now. Let's just start with the text input tabs. I will just describe an item myself. So style is casual and color is khaki and items jacket and fit is Lex. So category I put jacket. So I put wear. So general such a query. So yeah, this is such great khaki relaxed jacket. This is what I set. Color is first and fit in the item. So and we have like the second part. So I can upload kind of image here. So this is the image taken by me. So okay, here's output. So this is the terms what I get from the Vision AI. So there's casual top shirts and yeah, this is the concept. This is the search query. So blue and white stripe off. So because like I don't have the user based or a reg personalizer, so but I replace that to the platforms differently. So this motion site is one of the Korean shopping website. So if I click localizer here, sorry, and this okay, this is the search query for the Korean website. For the evaluation, I tested a zero shoot, fixed view shoot, and retriever against a 25 held out example. On paper, the results looked solid. All these hit 100% for validation. For compliance, the scores were 76, 84, and 76, with the fixed view shoot taking the lead. But those flat numbers miss at the real street. When I actually read the raw text, I find a hidden issue like a duplicated words and broken phrasing. No single message was perfectly clean. They all had moments where the output got messy, depending entirely on which example was used as a hint. The breakdown also gave me a concrete next steps. For the top category, retriever failed every single time simply because our distance cutoff was too strict. The right examples were there, but they got a filter out. I just think the cutout is my immediately next task. Looking back, the one thing I did do differently is separate the extraction and generating functions right from day one. I let them get tangled together early on, and pulling them apart later meant fixing almost every single file in the project. I should have drowned that line upfront. For next steps, I want to connect the Real Shopping API to see how the search queries actually perform. I also need to recalculate the distance cutoff with real embeddings instead of guessing, and test the platform localizer against the live data from the Korean websites instead of the mockup I used for the demo. But honestly, the biggest takeaway for me was about debugging. I learned that exactly same symptom can come from a completely different root causes. While debugging the localizer, the output kept failing the exact same way. The text just wouldn't change. I hit this four separate times, and every single item it was a different issues from the stale chroma DB index to a leaked fusion example. I realized that you can just guess based on this symptom on trusted, clean-looking log line. What actually worked every time was just printing out the raw prompt, the raw model response, and just reading that. Thank you.